Today, the auto industry just experienced a massive shakeup. If you thought electric vehicles were already making waves, brace yourself, because what just happened is about to send shockwaves across the entire automotive world. Elon Musk has done it again. The man who made electric cars cool has just pulled off a move nobody saw coming. On June 12, 2025, Musk took center stage and introduced a Tesla for everyone, at the unbelievable price of just $10,999. That's right. For less than the cost of many used cars, you can now drive home in a brand new Tesla. This price shatters barriers and opens the door for millions who never thought they could own an EV. This isn't just another car launch. It's a direct challenge to the dominance of gas-powered vehicles. For decades, gasoline cars have ruled the roads. But with this announcement, Tesla is signaling the start of a new era and the slow fade of the internal combustion engine. Electric cars have always seemed like something for the wealthy, sleek, high-tech, but out of reach for most families. They were more of a status symbol than a practical choice. But now, that's all changing. Suddenly, owning an EV is possible for almost everyone. A Tesla under 11 grand isn't just a breakthrough, it's a doorway to a new future. It proves that clean, sustainable transportation can be affordable for all. Imagine families everywhere, from big cities to small towns, now able to consider an electric car as their next vehicle. This is Tesla's Model T moment. Just like Ford's Model T put cars in the hands of everyday Americans 100 years ago, this new Tesla could make EVs the new normal. It's a turning point. A real democratization of technology that could change how we all get around. You can bet the old-school automakers are scrambling right now, trying to figure out how Tesla pulled this off. Years of slow, careful progress suddenly look outdated. The pressure is on, and the industry has a choice: adapt or risk being left behind. Musk has a habit of beating the odds, and this is no different. He's not just changing the game, he's rewriting the rules. Every time people doubt him, he comes back with something that changes everything. When Musk makes a promise this big, the world pays attention. News outlets, social media, and car enthusiasts everywhere are buzzing. People from all over the globe are tuning in, eager to see what's next. This isn't just the launch of a new car. It's the beginning of a new chapter for Tesla, and for all of us. The impact will reach far beyond the car industry, changing how we travel, how our cities are designed, and how we protect our planet. The first shot has been fired, and the world will never be the same. Let's break down why this $10,999 price point is an industry earthquake. At first glance, it might just look like a number on a sticker, but in reality, it's a seismic shift that's sending shockwaves through the entire automotive world. This isn't just a price cut. It's a statement, a challenge, and a promise all rolled into one. It's not just a low number. It shatters economic barriers that have kept millions from considering an electric vehicle. For years, EVs were seen as luxury items, out of reach for the average family. Now, with this price, Tesla is tearing down those walls and making clean transportation accessible to a much broader audience. The average new car costs around $48,000, but this Tesla undercuts even the cheapest gas cars on the market. Imagine walking into a dealership and realizing you can get a brand new, cutting-edge electric vehicle for less than what you'd pay for a used, outdated gas guzzler. That's a game changer. Suddenly, a brand new EV is priced to compete with the used car market. This isn't just about affordability, it's about giving people real choices. For the first time, families and individuals who thought a new car was out of reach can now consider a Tesla, with all the benefits of new technology, safety, and efficiency. This move captures a new demographic of buyers previously locked out of the EV market. Young professionals, students, and families who once settled for older, less reliable vehicles now have a shot at owning a brand new Tesla. It's a shift that could redefine what it means to buy your first car. It forces legacy automakers to rethink their slow transition to EVs. For years, traditional car companies have hesitated, citing high costs and limited demand. Now, Tesla's bold move exposes their lack of ambition and puts pressure on them to innovate faster or risk being left behind. Tesla's announcement exposes their lack of ambition, not possibility. It proves that affordable electric vehicles aren't just a dream, they're a reality, if companies are willing to take risks and push boundaries. In developing nations, this price point is transformative, accelerating clean energy transitions. For countries where car ownership is a symbol of progress, a $10,999 Tesla could mean millions leapfrogging straight to electric, bypassing decades of fossil fuel dependency. This isn't just about Tesla selling cars in America. It's a global invitation to the electric future. It's a signal to the world that clean, affordable transportation is possible for everyone, everywhere. The $10,999 price tag isn't just a number. It's a revolution in motion, opening doors and changing lives across the planet. So, what do you get for $10,999? Meet the Model A. It's built on a new, efficient platform, looking like a compact sibling to the Model 3. The standard range version offers 200 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes. Inside, you get Tesla's iconic 15-inch touchscreen and basic autopilot. Performance-wise, it's quick and fun to drive, with instant torque and a low center of gravity. The Model A is not just affordable and efficient, but genuinely enjoyable to drive every day. The $10,999 Tesla changes the financial equation for millions. With an EV, say goodbye to oil changes and expensive maintenance. Charging at home costs about $1 per gallon of gas, a life-changing saving for families. The Model A offers a reliable, cheap-to-operate mode of transportation, empowering economic mobility. Tesla will need new gigafactories, creating thousands of jobs and accelerating the green economy. The used car market will be turned upside down, pressuring traditional dealerships to adapt. The Model A reshapes every part of the automotive world. Beyond economics, the $10,999 Tesla impacts the planet. Transportation is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. The Model A democratizes sustainability, replacing fossil fuel cars with clean alternatives. For communities near highways, this means cleaner air and healthier lives. A massive fleet of affordable EVs creates a distributed battery network, stabilizing the power grid. Tesla leads in responsible battery production, aiming for a closed-loop system. The Model A accelerates innovation for a cleaner future. Announcing a $10,999 car is one thing, building it is another. Tesla faces challenges in scaling up manufacturing and securing raw materials. Any delays could frustrate millions of eager customers. Tesla's service network must expand to meet demand, or the ownership experience could suffer. The financial risk is real, with razor-thin margins on this vehicle. Tesla is betting big, and the stakes have never been higher. Tesla's announcement is a wake-up call for the auto world. Legacy automakers must accelerate their plans for affordable EVs. Chinese companies like BYD and NIO are poised to compete globally. Western automakers face immense challenges but have resources and experience. This competition is a win for consumers, sparking a global innovation war. EVs will become better, cheaper, and more accessible faster than ever. The $10,999 Tesla is more than just a new car. It's a pivot point in history. For the first time, electric vehicles are within reach for millions who never thought they could afford one. This price point shatters the barrier between dreams and reality, making sustainable transportation accessible to everyday people, not just the elite. It's a bold statement that the future is for everyone. This moment marks the end of the gasoline car era. The streets that once echoed with the rumble of combustion engines are now humming with the quiet power of electric vehicles. Gas stations, once a symbol of progress, are giving way to superchargers, and the air is cleaner for it. Electric vehicles are no longer a novelty. They're becoming an everyday reality, transforming how we move and live. But Tesla's vision goes far beyond cars. This move sparks innovation across industries, from the way we power our homes to how we store and use energy. Solar roofs and power walls are turning houses into self-sustaining ecosystems, and communities are reimagining what's possible with clean energy. The ripple effect is inspiring a new generation of thinkers, inventors, and dreamers. Now companies everywhere face a choice: adapt or become obsolete. The automotive world is being forced to evolve, with old factories standing idle while new ones buzz with robotics and innovation. Those who embrace change will thrive, while those who resist risk being left behind. The race to innovate has never been more urgent. The future of transportation is brighter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever before. Imagine cities where electric buses and cars glide silently through the streets, and families travel through green landscapes without leaving a trace of pollution behind. This is not just a vision. It's becoming our new reality. We now stand at the dawn of a new electric age. Our cities are quieter, our skies are clearer, and our parks are filled with people enjoying fresh air. The benefits ripple outwards, improving health, happiness, and the quality of life for everyone. The electric revolution is changing not just how we drive, but how we live. Of course, the road ahead is not without challenges. There will be obstacles to overcome, technological, economic, and social. But with every breakthrough, every determined engineer, and every new Tesla on the road, the world is proving that change is possible. We are witnessing a transformation that will define generations. The future is electric, and thanks to this bombshell announcement, that future is finally here. The world is watching, and together we are driving into a new era, one that is cleaner, smarter, and more hopeful than ever before.